Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be educating you or giving you a review of games that you can play online to earn some small amount of money. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get content like this whenever I drop it. Let's go straight to the video. For the games to play to make money online, I'll be introducing you to two apps. The first one is the app Camel. The app Camel. This is the app Camel. The app Camel and how it works. And how it works now. I will go inside my app Camel. Just note that all the apps that I'll be using in this video, I will put the link in my description box so you can download it via my link. As you can see, I have withdraws a lot from this app Camel. Let me show you around. There are little things you need to do to be earning. Like, we have the daily rewards. Let me go inside. That's the two. Okay, it's not yet time for me to catch my reward for today. I'll still have to wait in the next 18 hours, something like that. So I can't withdraw today. I can withdraw now. Play reward. You play games to get some rewards. As at now, I have 770 PTS. I can't withdraw this one out of it. For me to withdraw quickly, I have to play games. You see this game? The first one is Vanguard's Casino and Slots. If I should download this app via this place, they are going to give me these coins. You see? So it's also all these ones. If you want to cash out quickly, you have to be a gamer. Look at these ones. These are games you play using the app Camel to earn money. I have withdrawn up to 3 times now. And also, I will drop my link in the description. If you use my link, I'm in the VIP section. If you use my link, they are going to dash you 500 PTS points for a start. 500 PTS points for a start. Then let us go to bonus. I'll show you what's in the bonus. Okay. Yeah, you watch video. All these ones, you only earn small amount of money. So, person like me, I don't normally do all these ones. I play games. Game is the main way of earning this app. Watching a video, you will end up eating up your data and stuff like that. So I will deem it wise you play games. This very video is meant for gamers. It's meant for gamers. You see, they just that me 1 PTS point. That won't go along for me. So if you play a game, you can get 99 points at once. You can get 185, provided you do all what they ask you to do in the game. Now let us go to the rewards section. The reward section is the place where you withdraw. You can withdraw via any of these ones if you are in USA and UK. But because we are in Nigeria here, we use the PayPal account. But if you don't have a PayPal account, you can search in my own video how to create a PayPal account by GP General. You can watch the video and follow the procedure and create your own PayPal account to receive the payment. As you can see, for the PayPal account, I just clicked on the PayPal account. For the PayPal account, if the least you can withdraw, the least you can withdraw is $3. And for you to withdraw this, you have to have up to 5,250 karma points. That's the PT points. You get? Then if you are really good in playing game, or you really put yourself on the game, like person like me, a week I do withdraw $10 every week. If you are real, because I'm not too good in games like that. But if you are good in dollar, I know you can be working this one out in a week for the $50. $50. This one, 52,500 karma points. You can be withdrawing this one out in a week. It's just this one is free money that everyone can benefit from. Let us go to redeem. You see, I can't redeem this thing now because my point is not up to the point that is that in that I need. Let me go back. Invite the invite. You see, this is my referral link. Once I invite people, I'll be getting points also. That's that for that. As you can see, this app is a free app to make money. And the games that are here, some of them are very easy, while very few of them are difficult. For some gamers who are really good in playing games, in a week they can make us 50 USA dollars out of this thing, out of this app. You see, can make 50 USA dollars out of this app. Now we go to the next one. We go to the next one, which is the mode and the mode and is it the mode and app? This modern app, you can have the link to download it in the description box. If you use my referral link, you will have a good advantage over other persons, because if you use my link, they are going to give you free 500 points also. In this app, how does it work? You can earn in this app by playing music. You can earn in this app by playing music. Let me play music. Once I start playing music, I'll earn, but that's not the main source of earning in this app, because if you want to do that, you only end up using your data anyhow. That's for the music. You can play any music you feel like, romance or any music at all that you feel like. Once you're using this app, you really enjoy it, because you will be enjoying yourself by playing music also. Then the next one is the boosters. Which are the boosters? They have events they do work with. When I say the boosters, these ones are games, place where you play games like this one. This one you play games, and they reward you with lot. The other one, you take survey. You take survey. This one, you take survey. And the last one is also games. They will tell you what to do in order to earn. And once you do all these things, they pay you. They pay you. That's the last one. But make sure all you are doing, your data is turned on, or else they will just be in vain. And for the deals, coming. For the deals, we have the redeem. How to withdraw in this app. There are lots of medium you can use. Lot of medium you can use. You can use CoinList, but this I want you. You can use CoinList. This one. You can use this app. But you know what? I won't advise anybody to use the CoinList, because at this moment the CoinList is not working fine. If it was working fine, I would advise everyone to be using it. If you have 250 points, you can withdraw 3 Bitcoin and $3 Bitcoin worth. But the CoinList is not working fine. So I will advise you to use the PayPal account. Compared to the app Camel, the maximum you can withdraw in this app is $10. Unlike app Camel that you can withdraw 50 US dollars. That's the advantage of using the app Camel. For this one, and that's how the app Camel and the mode and app works. For you to have a good start, use my link in the description box to download these apps and sign up to have a speed in getting your points. Now we have come to the end of today's video. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. If it works for you, you can drop it on the comment section. And all the things that you need, all the apps mentioned in this video are in the description box. You can go using my referral link to get upper hand in the games. Thank you. See you some other time.